Getting to Ortho Las Vegas is easy. If you're coming from the east side of town, the easiest way to get here is to head west on Flamingo Road. You're going to pass Rainbow, Buffalo, Cimarron, and Durango. Pass El Capitan Way and get in the left-hand lane. You'll pass Discount Tire on the left. Right after the bus stop on the left, turn left into the Flamingo Trails Professional Plaza. Our office is straight ahead inside the Pain Specialists of Nevada building at 9159 West Flamingo Road, Suite 100. You'll see our logo on the door. You can park right out front or around to the left. Enter Suite 100 and you have arrived. Welcome to Ortho Las Vegas.